Deadly incident this week is prompting fresh questions about California's sanctuary law. An undocumented immigrant with a long arrest record fired at a Napa sheriff's deputy before being killed by that deputy. KPIX 5's Melissa Kane on a loophole in the sanctuary law. Melissa?
Yeah, Ken, you may think that when immigration authorities want to take someone into custody and that person is in jail, well, ICE just calls up the sheriff and says, let's coordinate a handoff. But that's exactly what the state's sanctuary law, enacted just a year ago, was supposed to stop. Now, sheriffs are not allowed to coordinate that sort of thing with immigration authorities. But there's one big catch. Prisoner release dates are technically California public records. And that means anyone, including ICE, can see when someone's coming out of jail. California's sanctuary law does have exceptions for seriously violent criminals, but for most inmates, here's the rule. California law enforcement agencies shall not provide information regarding a person's release date unless that information is available to the public. And in most Bay Area counties, it is public. Alameda, Contra Costa, Marin, San Mateo, and Santa Clara County show inmate future release dates on public websites. And while some require you to know the name of the person you're looking for, well, that's something that ICE would know. San Francisco, Solano, and Sonoma counties do not post future release dates, but they do post future hearing dates, and inmates are often released after a hearing. The one Bay Area county that does not post future release dates or hearing dates is Napa. Sergeant Ray Kelly is with the Alameda County Sheriff's Department, and he says they put release information online to help victims and inmate family members. And anyway, release dates are technically public records.
ICE, regardless of whether the records were online or not, could call us and we would still have to release the date of the release for the person. All this does is just save a whole lot of time.
He says ICE may be using their database, but ICE has not been staking out their jail.
Are they looking up the release date and then meeting the guy at the door as he walks out the door? We have not seen that type of activity.
We asked ICE whether they use this public information, and they responded, ICE does not discuss particulars of its law enforcement tactics. Sergeant Kelly tells us that having this information available online has saved hundreds and hundreds of man-hours individually answering requests for California public records like release dates, requests that come from victims, family members, and of course, the pesky media. Live in San Francisco, Melissa Kane, KPIX 5.